Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. We're located at 21180 US Highway 70 in Wilson, Oklahoma. This is our 1968 gunmetal gray with red stripe, red interior, fastback. Factory 289 car, factory automatic. She's got disc brakes, no power steering. Solid as the day is long, original floors, trunk quarters. Runs and drives great. It's a gorgeous car. All the chrome, all the paint's super nice. I'm gonna fire it up. It's very nicely detailed, beautiful car inside and out. Car's got later Model 5-spoke Mustang wheels, drum rear brakes. It's got a nice looking little red pinstripe that goes along. Great reflection, great shine. I believe this is probably the original interior in the car. It looks very nice, presentable, but it doesn't look like it's ever been redone. Doesn't need to be redone. New weather strip all the way around it. I'm gonna fire it up here in just a minute. All lights, backup lights, everything works. For a lot of folks, this is a holy grail. It's not your average run-of-the-mill Mustang by any means. Floor shift. Got the gauges, 97,000 miles. AM, FM, stereo. Nice white headliner. It was a factory air car and it has all the air components. Smooth, doesn't get hot. Man, what a gorgeous car. Come see us at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Text or call Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day. I know I will.